Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about the XEM coin friends. What's the current price of XEM, what's the prices occur in XEM, what's the latest and urgent update of XEM. In this video I will show you friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel friends. Let's talk about the current price of the XEM friends. The current this time price of the XEM in the market is about 0.400092 USD dollar is the current price of XEM friends. Once again, the biggest pump period of the XEM coin are again start now. XEM coin again take a jump friends, and a good news for all XEM holder friends. That's the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the XEM gone positive friends. So absolutely congratulations to all XEM holder friends. If you are a holder, so please click the subscribe button friends. Thank you so much for subscribing. Let's see the price chart of the XEM for more details friends. That is the last 1 day price chart friends. If we talk about the price changes occur in XEM and only the last 1 day, so the last 1 day price changes is about positive 4.43% changes occur in the XEM. Absolutely very nice change. And if we talk about the highest price of the XEM, so 0.428896 USD dollar is the highest price of XEM in the last 1 day friends. Now the current price, as you can see here, 0.399865. Here is the price is 39 0 point, and here is a 0.42 friends. So approximately 0.3 USD dollar falls occur in the XEM and the last 1 day friends. But now friends, as you can see, if we look the current price chart of the XEM, so I think that it's time to take a jump friends. After this point they again take a jump friends, and I hope that this jump is a continuously jump of the XEM coin friends. I know that XEM coin falls down for a little time, as you can see here, and this time friends, and same like that at this time friends, the temporary falls of the XEM coin occurs friends. So don't worry about this temporary falls friends. As you can see here, after a falls there is a jump friends, same like that. As you can see here at this time friends, here is a falls occurring, after this again take a jump friends, same like that friends. And this jump is a continuously jump of the XEM friends. I hope that is the biggest jump of the XEM. What's your opinion about XEM? My opinion is that XEM and the XEM, the biggest pump are coming soon friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates friends.